Hi, today I create this beautiful text effect. I gonna to effects and document raster effect settings and set all settings like this. Then create a rectangle and adjust it on the artboard like this. Now I gone to the swatches and use global and adjust swatches like this. Press OK and select this one and add to swatches again and name the new swatches. Then I gonna to the gradients and use these colors to give a gradients and add it to new gradients. Now select the text tool, use this font and size and write the text. Now I gonna to Pathfinder and make compound shape, then select the text and give the gradient. Now select the text and gone to Appearance, select Fill, add new effect, uses and blur radius 3, add a copy, increase the radius to 6, add another copy, increase the radius to 12. Take another copy, increase the radius to 24. Take another copy, increase the radius to 48. Take another copy, increase the radius to 96. Select first one, add new fill, add new effect, inner glow, using these values. And then gone to swatches. And use the different colors like this. And choose second color like this. You can change the colors as you like to create different color effects like this. Then gone to Document Raster Effect Settings and increase the resolution 300, press OK. The gone to Appearance, select first Fill, reduce the inner glow blur value like this, press OK. And this is the text effect that we wants to create. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.